first question. Which one of the following kings used the title Samrat? Vatakata Pravarasena I used the title Samrat. Pravarasena I was the successor of Vindhya Shakti. Who was the founder of Vatakata dynasty? He called himself as Samrat and conducted wars with the Naga kings. Conducted wars with Naga kings. Next question. What is the period in which Khasi uprising occurred? Khasi uprising occurred in the period during 1829 to 1833. The leader of this uprising was Tirat Singh. Who among the following, the Sultan of Sultanate of Delhi, has transferred his capital from Delhi to Agra? Sikandar Lodi has transferred his capital from Delhi to Agra in the year 1506. Dash was the third Mughal emperor of India. Akbar was the third Mughal emperor of India. The first Mughal emperor is Babur, then Humayun, then Akbar, and then Jahangir. Let's see the next question. During Mughal period, rank and salary were determined by a numerical value called as. It was determined by numerical value called as Zat. It was like the people who are having more Zat has more prestigious position in the kingdom. Let's see the next question. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre, also known as Amritsar massacre, took place on Dash in Jallianwala Bagh, Punjab. It took place on 13th April 1919 in Jallianwala Bagh, Punjab. Shimla Agreement 1972 between India and Pakistan was signed in. It was signed in Barnes Court and it was signed by our Prime Minister Indira Gandhi and President of Pakistan J.A. Bhutto on 2nd July 1972 in Barnes Court. 2nd July 1972 in Barnes Court. Friends, Crack is providing previous papers of SSC, CGL and CHSL. Please do visit our website crack.in and download these papers for your better practice and best score. Who is the last ruler of Maurya Empire? The last ruler of Maurya Empire is Brihadrata Maurya. It's none of these here. But the last ruler of Maurya Empire is Brihadrata Maurya. Which university was built by King Dharmapala? The university was later destroyed during an attack by Bakhtiyar Khilji of Delhi Sultanate. The university that was built by King Dharmapala is Bikramshila University. He was a great patron of Buddhism. What is the name of the horse of Maharana Pratap at the Battle of Haldighati in the year 1576? The name of the horse is Chetak. It was a loyal horse. It ran 5 kilometers with one broken leg by the opponents and jumps 22 feet over a dam and leaves its last breath. It was remembered in the history for its loyalty.
We at Kraku provide all the previous year CAT papers along with many other MBA examinations such as IIFT, ZAT, SNAP, MAT, CMAT, TIS and PGDBA in the actual exam format. You can attempt them as a test and get a detailed analysis of your performance or download them as PDFs.
The period of dominion of India refers to. The period of dominion of India refers to Independence Day to Republic Day. Match the following dynasties with the name of prominent kings belonging to their dynasties. Let us first see the dynasties and the king names given. Pratiharas, Palas, Rashtrakutas, Paramaras, Solankis are the dynasties given, and the names of the prominent kings are Bhima I, Krishna I, Mihira Bhoja, Siyakha II and Gopala. So Pratiharas are the prominent king in Pratiharas dynasty is Mihira Bhoja, it is A3, and in Palas it is Gopala. Just remember it as Pala and which is added as the suffix Gopala. And in the kingdom of Rashtrakutas, it is Krishna I. Oh, sorry, that is 2. That is the option 2. And Paramaras, it is Siyakha II. And Solankis, it is Bhima I. So answer is option B. With reference to the national movement in India, when was Pune Pact signed? Pune Pact was signed in the year 1932 on September 24th. This agreement is between the Hindu leaders in India granting new rights to Dalits. Leaders granting rights to Dalits. Where was India's first life insurance company named Oriental Life Insurance set up during the British rule? During the British rule, it was set up in Calcutta in 1818. Let's see the next question. Under whose leadership the Sikhs became a political and military force? Under Guru Gobind Singh's leadership, the Sikhs became political and military force. During the British rule, the only British king to visit India and hold a grand Darbar was the king was George V in the year 1911. Friends, Crack is providing SSC CGL mocks for Rs 199. Please do visit our website crack.in and enroll for these mocks for your better practice and best score. Who among the following was not contemporary to the Indian revolt of 1857? Tipu Sultan was not contemporary to the Indian revolt of 1857, and he was also called as Tiger of Mysore. Who was the Governor General of Bengal during 3rd Anglo-Mysore War? The Governor General of Bengal during 3rd Anglo-Mysore War is 2nd Earl Cornwallis, and this Anglo-Mysore War has happened between 1790 to 92. Who is the President of Congress during Belgaum Summit of Congress in 1924? M.K. Gandhi, that is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, was the President of Congress during Belgaum Summit of Congress in the year 1924. The most prominent god in Rig Veda is Indra.
The secret to Crack CAT is taking a lot of mocks. If you simply Google Cracku free CAT mocks, you can find 3 mocks in the latest exam pattern. You can attempt them and get a detailed analysis of your performance along with comprehensive explanations to each question.
Battle of Kalinga was fought at which of the following places? Battle of Kalinga was fought at Dowley Hills, near the bank of the river Daya. In which year was the Rowlatt Act passed by British India? It was passed in the year 1919. In which year was the Rowlatt Act passed by British India? It was passed in the year 1919. Friends, Cracko is providing SSC CGL mocks for Rs 199. Please do visit our website cracko.in and enroll for these mocks for your better practice and best score. We are even providing SSC CHSL mocks for Rs 199. Please do check these. And we are also providing 2 free mocks for both the exams. 2 free mocks for both SSC, CGL and CHSL. Please do check these mocks. Let's see the next question. Dash was the Chinese Buddhist monk who studied Buddhist scriptures at Nalanda and is famous for his 17-year-long trip to India between 624 AD to 643 AD. He is Hyun Sang. Which ruler built Charminar in Hyderabad? Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah has built Charminar in Hyderabad in order to commemorate the end of plague in the city. Commemorate end of plague in the city. Which ruler built the Jama Masjid in Delhi? Shah Jahan has built Jama Masjid in Delhi, spending 10 crores. It is said that he has spent 10 crores. And this can be called as the replica of Moti Masjid in Agra. Replica of Moti Masjid in Agra. It combines the best of Hindu and Muslim style of architecture. Hindu and Muslim architecture. Hope you like the video. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment on the video and hit the bell icon for instant notification. If you have any queries or any suggestions for me, you can type it in the comment section. Thank you.